And now we have another move, scale, rotate panel, but this is random. Let's get into this. Okay, so we could do somewhat random movement earlier based upon the selection of the rotate on face select, but we're going to get a little bit more into this, okay? So we're going to contain things near U1, V1, because if we do not have this selected, then when we're moving things around, things could shoot way off into UV space, and we do not want that to happen. So we're going to base our selections off of the center pivot point. We're going to contain them near U1, V1, and let's just select some and load it into the system and begin. Actually, let's pack this. Then we'll scale it down. And there we go. That's good to start with. Okay. Now I'm going to scale at random, and we're going to use like 0.9 and 1.1. So I'll do UV. Okay. And maybe we should make this a little bit bigger just so it has more of an effect. So you can see here that. Okay. So you get a random patchwork. Okay. And so it's the minimum and maximum. It's like you'd like to have. Well, I guess it just makes sense as it is. It's percentage based. So you want it 90% to 170%. You get the idea. You can do it on the U or the V. Sorry about this. Okay, I'm back. All right, and so next we have rotate, which is basically the same thing. We can take the selection. Oh, I interrupted the operation. We can take the selection and rotate. Okay. And we're rotating fully random based upon what our numbers are set. Okay. And that looks like a large mess, but that's all right. That's what we wanted. And now we have the same with move, so we can move things around. Now, this is more or less where we focus on containing within the UV, U1, V1 space, or at least near that space. And I believe what I do is I make sure center points of the elements fall within the U1, V1 space. You'll see that by the objects just kind of bouncing around within the UV map space here. Okay. All right, so we have random stuff. We can random scale. And we can change the pivot location based upon how we make that happen. We can random rotate with different pivots. We can random move with different pivots. All right, so I'm not sure what this is. Oh, material ID rollout open. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Yeah, you'd think I'd remember everything I built, but there's just so much to this. 1 second. Ah, right, so we can do the scale, rotate, and move, but the material ID rollout open button is to open the material ID section and therefore provide you with the ability to randomize material IDs on selected faces. That makes complete sense. I remember doing that now. Okay, so we're going to turn off checker mode. I'm going to now turn on the material ID. Okay. And let's select this and do this in real time and see if this happens to work. I hope it does. Okay. Random material IDs on selected faces. Select the faces. Okay. Oh, that's right. We can choose patterns. Yep. Okay. There's a lot of different things you can do with this. You can choose random faces based upon a number set. You can select randomly based upon numbers. You can then set minimum, maximum material IDs based upon. Yeah, there's a lot to that. We're going to have to just wait for that in the next video, or when we get to that material IDs rollout, rather. Okay, so that's the move, scale, rotate, random rollout.